Hi, I'm Mahalakshmi. Today we are going to make niacinamide moisturizing cream. Niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3, is known to reduce hyperpigmentation, fine lines, and also helps in retaining skin moisture. I have included Allantoin and cucumber extracts for its soothing benefits, Glycerine and Aquaxyl for some moisturization benefits, some wonderful Kokum Butter, tomato seed oil and watermelon seed oil for its emollient properties. If you would like to know about the substitutions, you can check in my blog. I have also mentioned some good combinations with the niacinamide and some combinations which you don't want to try if you are just started formulating with niacinamide. Some studies say that niacinamide works best at pH 6, while others say that it works at other pH, even at pH 5. But I have adjusted pH to 6 so that it can have the maximum benefits. You can check and adjust the pH accordingly. You can include few drops of citric acid to bring it down to pH 6 if it is higher than 6. You can look up for the weights and other information in my blog. Let us start making this cream now. Next, we will add all our oil phase ingredients in this beaker. Okay, these are the butters and oils. Next comes to the emulsifiers. We will add gum to the water and mix it slowly. It still has some lumps. I'll heat it on a double boiler so it will be melted and it will be uniform. I will now add my Allantoin and sodium gluconate. Okay, the next one is niacinamide. You can add all these ingredients first and then add gum too. I just wanted to see if it forms lumps or not. Do not overheat it. Once you see everything clear, you can remove it. It might be around 10 minutes and not more than 50 degrees centigrade or 60 degrees centigrade. Okay, let's now put both of these on a double boiler, melt it, and we'll be back to emulsify. We will add the cool down phase ingredients. If you like the video, please hit like and subscribe. If you have any suggestions or comments, please put in the comment section. Thank you for watching.